This word is the voice of someone crying in the wilderness. But to you who love peace, who understand with me that peace must ultimately develop from the attitude of the many who make up the unity of nations. May I make this word of Christ heard as an invitation, certainly radical, even difficult to carry out, but nevertheless striking, of the direction in which our faith must go on. Our peacemaking efforts must be based on social reform in society that sound principles of love and forgiveness must once again